Good day, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. Now, guys, I'm going to give you an update on this pair that we spoke about on our last session. So let us get into it. So starting overall on the higher time frame, this is how price has been overall progressing. So we did see price coming from what this heavy impulsive movement up and then giving us what this overall sideways corrective structure that was in the form of what of a continuation structure that we can identify over here. So this being what the typical impulsive correction, impulsive movement. And then now currently we do see price presenting us with what? With another corrective movement similar to the previous one. So as you can see, after price broke out, what happened? It did overall impulse to the upside. So over here, we are looking for a similar type of movement for this to do what? To continue to impulse at least up until the 90% roll, just like it did over there. So now as we're moving on toward our mid-time frame, what can we identify in the mid-time frame on our end? So coming on to the mid-time frame, we do see price giving us what this small corrective structure that was in a form of what of a continuation to give us what that impulsive correction, impulsive movement. And then at the moment we do have what price giving us overall this corrective structure once again that we can identify as being what that impulsive corrective structure. So this is having what the high probability of continuing to do it to impulse all the way to the upside, just like it did when it broke out of here, just like also it did with what with these bigger structures previously over here. So now is it dropping into what our lower time frame? What are we looking for in order for us to be able to capitalize on this move? So just like after the breakout, so price has been presenting what these small corrective structures, as you can see over here. So that is what we are looking for in these areas over here of the breakout. Just a simple impulsive movement up, following with what a small corrective structure. Something like this. So once we have price coming from a clear impulsive movement, giving us what that corrective structure, we can look to enter in the breakout and then place what our stops below, take profit all the way to the upside to ride what that overall impulsive movement to the upside. So this is how I'm looking at what the Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So for now, guys, it's all a waiting game to wait to see how price will continue to develop. On our end, there's nothing much we can do, just waiting for price to give us this similar type of movement that we can see over here. As you can see, ideally, this is what I'm looking for. As you can see, this did play out beautifully, even though it did not hit the take profit, but this is the type of movement that I'm looking for to enter on the breakout, place my stops below, and then my take profit all the way to the upside. But yeah, guys, for now, this is going to be the end of the session. I will continue to give an update on the progress of this pair on our next session. For now, take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.